Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to disable and call with lock button on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to disable and calls with the lock button, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. Just tap on it and here just look for accessibility option, select, and here you just have to look for system controls. Here's that, tap on it, and here the power button and calls. If you have enabled these settings, you just have to toggle off it to disable this one. But if you won't get the settings, you just have to go to main settings and search for and call. Just search for this one and you will get the setting which is power button and call. Just tap on it and the setting will directly open. If you have enabled the setting, you can easily disable it, but if you want to enable, you just have to toggle it on to enable these settings. That's how you can easily disable or enable and call with lock button on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.